Can we make Apple Pencil with a normal pencil? Let's see how to do that. Apple Pencils have different models and will support different iPads. So Apple Pencil USB-C latest version is Apple Pencil Pro. So you don't need to buy an expensive gadget like that. You can do that on $2, maybe lesser than that. This one, stylus pen. You can buy this anywhere. You can buy this on eBay, Amazon. It works like almost same. So even Apple Pencil Pro won't work here. So if you try to close this, we can't close this. But using this stylus pencil, we can close that just like that. If you use the pencil here to swipe down, it's a bit difficult. But if you use the stylus pencil, that will be very easy, just like that. So I will give this product link, Amazon link in the description. If you want, you can buy that. This is the best alternate for your Apple Pencil. And coming to the topic, we won't convert this normal pencil into Apple Pencil. Instead, we can use this. If you want to know more videos about Apple Pencil Pro, you need to watch this playlist.